What's up guys, you're Slaughter from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create frames just like this, okay? How to unlock all the frames present on Canva. If you go to Canva, review the left sidebar of menus on the desktop application or on the mobile app into the bottom, you can see that on elements we have the frames. But we have a quite limited amount of frames. There is good, there is nice, but they are limited. There is not all the frames you need. For example, a dog frame, a plant frame, a piece frame. How to unlock these frames? This is what I'm gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, review the left sidebar of menus and click on apps. Once on apps, we're gonna type key RDY shape frames, just like this, and click into this one with the wallet icon. Then we're gonna start the app, and you can search for every single dog. A lot of frames, correct? Maybe you need some cat. Then all you have to do is choose your frame. For example, this one right here. Click on it to apply this to your page. Then find a picture. You can upload a picture or you can go to photos and apply the frame on it, just like this. Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.